subject to market volatility. We eliminate the dangers of taxes, inflation, and market volatility. So what I have done for years is help clients eliminate the dangers, the three big dangers that cause most retirees to outlive their money: taxes, inflation, and market volatility. So in doing that, I was solving that for my own clientele for years by eliminating those dangers, by seizing opportunities to convert to tax-free vehicles and linking your returns to the things that inflate. So even though I don't like inflation any more than you do, it doesn't hurt me. I sort of come along for the ride. I outpace inflation, and I make myself immune from market volatility by using indexing, and I'm not talking about index mutual funds. Indexing is a strategy where you get to participate when the market is going up, but when the market goes down, you don't lose one dime due to that market downturn, okay? Now, the greatest strength of my favorite financial vehicle, the laser fund, is your money is liquid. You can access it when you need it. It has safety, not only of the institution, but safety of principal. You do not lose when the market goes down, and any year you make money, that becomes newly protected principal. You will not lose in future years money you made in previous years, whereas money in the market, you can lose money that you made last year or the year before, okay? And then you earn predictable rates of return that are tax-free. So I helped many of my clients do that, and then a lot of advisors would learn from me. And when my first books came out, my publisher was Time Warner Business Books, and they estimated there were over 50,000 advisors that were buying my books on Amazon in bulk and passing them out. But the vast majority of those advisors were sort of like loose cannons, and so I developed a proficiency exam to make sure that I knew which advisors knew how to implement my strategies correctly. And so I have a nucleus of, I had about 3,000 advisors pay between $6,000 to $8,000 to come through a very intensive 3-day training. Now I have about 600 advisors that invest about $400 a month to learn how to do this correctly. But I would say on my YouTube channel, out of 70,000 subscribers, probably about 50,000 are advisors. And so I help solve the same issues for financial advisors, but my real passion is teaching the general public. So that's why we teach educational events, and so I made my competitors my customers. They pay for my wisdom, and I want to reach more people by educating advisors. But you know what? What I love doing is coming out and teaching you how to optimize assets, minimize taxes, and not outlive your money. So when I have the opportunity to come out and teach live events, but I want you to seize that opportunity, because sometimes I only am able to do this every 10 weeks or so. If you happen to live in the greater San Francisco Bay Area, get ready to jot down the 5 cities and the dates. We are coming to teach live half-day educational events. They are called Retire by Design. I am waiving the normal $600 tuition. These are free, but seating's limited, and you will receive over 500 pages of curriculum free when you come. I am coming in person to teach, okay? We are coming to Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento. We will be in Morgan Hill at the Coyote Creek Golf Club, November 9th. That's Wednesday in the morning. That afternoon in Palo Alto at the Elks Lodge, November 9th, Wednesday afternoon. The next day we're in Dublin at the Ranch Golf Course, November 10th. That's a Thursday in the morning. That afternoon in Alamo at the Round Hill Country Club, November 10th, Thursday afternoon. The next day we're in Sacramento at the Granite Bay Golf Club, November 11th, Friday morning. You must call now and register at 1-888-76-RADIO. Call 1-888-767-2346. That's 1-888-767-2346. 1-888-767-2346.
This is Three-Dimensional Wealth Radio.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. You know, as a financial strategist and retirement planning specialist for more than 45 years, I finally have dedicated the last 2 years to writing the ultimate book, The Laser Fund, How to Diversify and Create the Foundation for a Tax-Free Retirement. It's my favorite vehicle, and we have collected over 200 pages of charts, graphs, and illustrations to empower you. And if you're more right-brain, you learn by stories, you flip the book over, and you read it the other direction. It contains 62 stories of actual clients who have employed the Laser Fund to diversify and save hundreds of thousands of dollars of unnecessary tax. I want to gift you one when you attend my next event. Register by calling 1-888-76-RADIO. That's 1-888-767-2346. Call 888-767-2346. Attend my event to get your free book.
Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. We all remember these words from our childhood. Store, prepare, and eat enough healthy fruits and vegetables in our busy lives. Balance of Nature keeps it simple. Our produce is powdered after an advanced vacuum cold process, which stabilizes the maximum nutrient content. The produce is then mixed into a scientifically researched blend, designed with your body in mind. Once these blends are encapsulated, they are packaged and sent right to your door, so you can get all the benefits of a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables every day. Experience the Balance of Nature difference for yourself. Go to balanceofnature.com or call 1-800-2468-751. And don't forget, get 35% off your first order as a preferred customer by using discount code KSFO.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. You know, as a financial strategist and retirement planning specialist for more than 45 years, I finally have dedicated the last 2 years to writing the ultimate book, The Laser Fund, How to Diversify and Create the Foundation for a Tax-Free Retirement. It's my favorite vehicle, and we have collected over 200 pages of charts, graphs, and illustrations to empower you. And if you're more right-brain, you learn by stories, you flip the book over, and you read it the other direction. It contains 62 stories of actual clients who have employed the Laser Fund to diversify and save hundreds of thousands of dollars of unnecessary tax. I want to gift you one when you attend my next event. Register by calling 1-888-76-RADIO. That's 1-888-767-2346. Call 888-767-2346. Attend my event to get your free book. Why you should own your rental properties in separate LLCs. I'll explain next on 3-Dimensional Wealth Radio.
This is 3-Dimensional Wealth Radio with New York Times best-selling author and your host, Doug Andrew.
This is Doug Andrew speaking to you, our incredible national audience, from our 3-Dimensional Wealth Studios, nestled in the base of the majestic Rocky Mountains. This show is about empowering you, people and organizations that want to optimize their assets, minimize taxes, and empower their authentic wealth. Well, folks, I want you to listen close to this segment, especially if you own rental properties, because I want to give you some insight where so many times when I am teaching this concept to live audiences, those who own rental properties start nudging their spouse and they fidget and they get nervous, okay? So I'm going to explain that years ago, one of the top estate planning and asset protection attorneys in the state of California was attending one of my educational events, and he stopped in the middle of my presentation where I was talking about asset protection, and he just said, "Oh my heavens, you just solved something that I've been trying to solve for years as an attorney for protecting my clients' assets. Who is going to sue you for your real estate assets if it's not there?" He said, "Man alive, you just solve something. So let me explain what he meant by